This Up Close with the OCHM, we are taking a look at a hat from our wide-ranging textile collection. This ecru, wide-braided straw hat was designed by Christian Dior in the late 1960s. One of the labels under the hat reads, Christian Dior, Chapeau, Paris, New York. And from another label, we know that it was assembled in the United States. To enjoy the shade under the 44-inch diameter of this hat's brim would have set you back $15 in the 1960s. This piece was passed down through a local family and donated to the museum in 2014. We would love to show you more here at the museum. Our hours are Tuesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., and we're located on historic Church Green in downtown Taunton. This has been another Up Close with the OCHM, and I hope you all tune in next time.